Fire that shit up. Don't even give a fuck. Nigga talking shit. He on that bean shit. He on that lean shit. He on that powder shit. He's trying to hit the club with a fucking wild bitch. With that wild bitch. With that wild bitch. I say she had a brick. Smashing his car like shit. They be talking shit. Ho be on my dick. If I ain't trippin', I ain't playin', I be on my shit. You see my girl got them trying to apologize for what she did, but I'm not gon' tell no lie. I keep this shit bumpin', I keep this shit stumpin', and every time the nigga go 100 to 0, I'm stumpin', and I ain't playin', nigga. I don't need your help, man. I been growing and getting money, man. Don't get that shit twisted. Don't get that shit twisted. Me and my little car been spending money and still winning. Ain't got no time for shit. Ain't got no time for bullshit. Turning up on me, tryna pipe up on me. Nigga tryna type up on me or him. Nigga do what I'ma do. I'ma hit your head one time, hit you to the floor, never stop. It's silent too. It's silent too. Put that goddamn foot, put a boot on two. Nigga don't motherfucking play them games. Nigga better do what I told you to do. Don't be banging on folks over here all day, all geeked up, making them noise, getting on my motherfucking nerves. Nigga, I pay them toys, and I bust one in the air. Everybody get the fuck out. Everybody get the fuck out. Don't play with me, nigga. This nigga that ain't nice no more now. Niggas tryna get up on this thing. Y'all niggas better stay out that bean. Y'all niggas better stay out that lane. Y'all niggas don't do that thing. All in that street tryna be a mastermind of the thing. Better get your ass back to work the 9-5 thing. I ain't not gon' play them things. I'm not gon' throw them things. I'm not gon' throw them hands, cause you tryna put me in the chain. Hell no, man. Niggas real smart. I see this nigga, now he's thinking like he hard. Nigga chillin' shit, nigga kicking shit. He went piped up, but I told him to pipe down, bitch. Now I ain't got no frown shit. Now he on that lane shit. Don't call me, stop calling me. Apologize, they call a beat. I told the truth. Nigga talk, they what they do. I don't even gon' give a fuck. I'm grown, man, and you grown too. Man up, little bro, man up. I been here, bro. You been trying to pick me up, trying to pick me up, treat me like these other niggas, bro. I don't play that shit, though, bro. I'ma let you know, though, bro. I'm grown around here, and nigga, y'all niggas better stop playing around here. Don't come in my motherfucking spot, tryna got them teared up, cause your shit all fucked up. Everywhere I like golf up, I'm like walled up. About to go play golf, bruh, and chill, bruh. I get so money deal, bruh. About to make this deal, bruh. So better chill, bruh. That ain't here, bruh. Put your ass in some hill, bruh. On the corner, bruh. While it's on it, bruh. All up on it, bruh. Better motherfucker deal, bruh. Get up off that bean stuff. Get up off that lean stuff. Get it off that powder shit. In the club with that wild bitch. In the club with that wild bitch. You better stop that shit, nigga. Get back on that 9 to 5 before I beat your ass. You be talking shit, I'm trying to get that cash.